Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with an unresponsive display, and David is going to replace it for us. So let's get to it. Galaxy 22 Ultra has this is an S Pen on the sides, and so far we are not getting anything from the touchscreen, so this smartphone really needs a new display. The entire display assembly, as you can see there, is not really responsive, and at times it's fully unresponsive. So we're gonna remove the SIM card tray, and this is our replacement display. Pretty nice. And if you're replacing the screen on your S22 Ultra, you're gonna get a new housing as well, so that's gonna be a bonus. It's quite expensive though, so if you're planning to have this fix, it's worth it, because this is a high-end model, and high-end models tend to have more expensive components. I'm gonna slice through the adhesive here, and being David, our Samsung Galaxy expert here in the shop, no problem at all. Look at that. I once tried to fix a Note before, and removing the back cover is actually nerve-wracking. I wouldn't really try it on other people's smartphones. David here, no problem. Just gonna go right through it, remove all the screws. There's a lot of screws on the cover, and you can see the quality of the assembly itself. There's no loose parts. There are some, but it's not really a major issue, because all the components are contained in individual large modules. So we have the connectors and covers for the main board, and right away we're gonna isolate the main board so that we don't damage it. We have the daughter board at the bottom. I'm gonna remove the cover for it. Remove this secondary screws that's holding it to the housing, and with the cables we're gonna remove the daughter board. As you can see, lots of components that needs to be tracked, but it's not really that loose, if I say so myself. So we have tried to repair some models of smartphones, especially from Huawei, and of course cheaper models. You can see that the flagship Samsung devices are really precisely assembled and well thought out. Here we can just proceed now to the reassembly process. We're gonna attach the SIM card tray to the daughter board. It's just like Legos for adults and for pro technicians like David. Just gonna align this one. It's a bit of a snag there. I'm gonna screw it down, secure it. The main board, I'm gonna install it. This one cable, we're gonna attach it as well. And underneath the cables, of course, we have the battery. Very dense battery. In terms of size, it's not really that big, but it's very thick and dense. We also have copper plates going to the battery, which means that the heat is dissipated to the entire chassis, which is kind of a genius move, I think. We're just gonna install it. Install all the connectors. I'm gonna push it in. Front-facing cameras installed, and lastly, the wireless charging module. And we just reversed the entire process up to this point. David is gonna reinstall all the screws to their proper places. So it's gonna be a difficult one if you don't have the proper tools. You can also use manual screwdrivers, but here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we are efficient. We want to do things fast and right. It's gonna be done for now, but first we're gonna test if it's even working. Still got plastic on, so we'll check the display, and now it's fully responsive. Test the cameras. That's the main camera, front facing one. Yep, that's David there. Pretty stoked that he did this repair. Touchscreen all working, buttons on the sides are also working. So that's it. We're just gonna close it up and we're gonna give it back to our client, and I hope that he is happy that his smartphone is fixed. And if you want this kind of repair on your S22 Ultra, don't hesitate to message us here in the shop. Our Galaxy expert David will do the same thing for your poor S22 Ultra. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or requests. And this is the side-by-side view of the before and after. And take care of yourself, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.